This is another video of us just following a vehicle that is speeding relative to the speed limit, the posted speed limit, and just showing you that throughout the city, if you are speeding, excessively speeding, and then trying to get to where you want to go faster, in essence, it doesn't really work just because of the way the lights are timed. So we're going to be just following a vehicle here, not intentionally, it's just that we happen to be going the same direction as them. So this vehicle here, we're waiting at the red light, and when the light turns green, they kind of just pick up the pace and get going quick. And we're coming into the first available lane. We're going to switch over to the right safely, and you can see they're getting away from us, and the posted speed limit here is 50. We're in no particular rush, we're just going the speed limit, and they just keep getting further and further away. And if I just fast forward the video here, so here's the first red light. So they kind of rushed up to that intersection, had to brake, and then they had to use more gas to get the car to go again, whereas we were just, coasting up. We weren't driving slow, we were just coasting up to the red, and of course the light turned green, so we didn't actually have to make a full stop. Better for our brakes, better for our gas or fuel economy. And then we're coming up to the next intersection. We're still going the speed limit. In this case, I think they've kind of reduced their pace a bit, but they're still getting further and further away from us. And you can see, again, up ahead, the light is red, and we're just coasting smoothly and making a stop behind them. So not only is it a much more comfortable drive in the car, it's not so much stop and go, but it's also a lot more fuel efficient. So most vehicles now, most newer vehicles now, give you your fuel economy reading. So it's going to tell you how many liters per 100 kilometers you use, or your miles per gallon. And this revving up to the next light and then stopping, and then revving up to the next intersection and stopping, it does make a huge difference on your fuel consumption. And if you're not driving a combustion engine with an electric vehicle, they're more efficient, but still more acceleration, quick acceleration will drain your batteries a little bit quicker than if you smooth out that acceleration curve.